Bitcoin astrology and market sentiment, weekly forecast for the first quarter moon in Cancer and waxing gibbous moon phase. In this brief video, we examine the astrological elements impacting Bitcoin market sentiment and price fluctuations for the coming week. We analyze trader psychology through Moon Cycle Astrology, offering a daily overview and suggesting a weekly price range. Overview of the week. The week's astrological landscape suggests a mixed bag of influences on Bitcoin's price trajectory. On one hand, we have the Cancer first quarter moon on Monday, April 15th, followed by the waxing gibbous moon phase. Then, the Sun enters Taurus on April 19th. This moon phase energy, combined with the Taurian solar energy, is fairly bearish for Bitcoin. However, two major astrological forces potentially counteract the downward pressure. On one hand, we are still in the Mercury retrograde season, which often keeps price movements diminished. On the other hand, we have the rare Jupiter-Uranus conjunction in Taurus on April 20th, the day of the Bitcoin halving. In the long term, this new Jupiter-Uranus cycle is very positive for Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. Additionally, in the short run, this may prevent Bitcoin prices from nose-diving too deeply. Daily breakdown. Monday, April 15th. When the moon is in Cancer, traders feel vulnerable and turn protective to preserve their assets, avoiding risky positions. This first quarter moon opposing Bitcoin's sun forecasts a bearish day, setting a cautious tone for traders. Tuesday, April 16th and Wednesday, April 17th. The moon transitions into Leo, which is a positive event for Bitcoin's prices. However, the moon is in an unfavorable aspect to the Saturn-Mars conjunction, along with other unfavorable angles. This forecasts a moderately bullish couple of days, suggesting a sluggish upward price correction for Bitcoin. Thursday, April 18th. A relatively positive day with the Sun and Moon in trine, Jupiter sextile to Mars, and Venus conjunct Bitcoin's midheaven offer a positive momentum despite some discordance in other aspects. This day is most likely to be bullish. Friday, April 19th and Saturday, April 20th. As the Sun enters Taurus and the Moon enters Virgo, the astrological climate turns quite bearish for Bitcoin again. However, anticipation builds for the Jupiter-Uranus conjunction, and Venus conjuncts Bitcoin's midheaven, at the same degree where the April 8th solar eclipse just happened in Aries. These two factors may counteract some of the negative influences. It is a mostly bearish couple of days altogether. Sunday, April 21st. The Moon enters Libra, and Venus conjoins Bitcoin's Saturn, positive for an upward Bitcoin price correction. Putting it all together, the major astrological energies affecting Bitcoin price movements this coming week are the waxing gibbous moon phase leading into the full moon and the Sun in Taurus season, which are bearish. However, the Mercury retrograde and the rare Jupiter and Uranus conjunction are beneficial for Bitcoin and are likely to offset some of the bearish energies. Considering all these factors, the overall sum of these energies is likely to be predominantly bearish at the beginning of the week. At the beginning of the week, when the moon is in Cancer, Bitcoin's price is expected to dip. Midweek, as the moon shifts into Leo, an upward correction in prices is anticipated. From Friday into the weekend, prices are forecasted to turn bearish once again as the moon travels through Virgo. Price movements are expected to remain range-bound throughout the week, trading sideways between 59k and 71k. However, if daily prices close below 60k, further Bitcoin price weakness could ensue, potentially dipping into the low 50k range. Stay tuned for the next weekly forecast. Thank you for watching.